Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, or Big Al. I've got a challenge lock already set up in the vise called the Big Easy by West Coast Picks. And I did try this one for the first time a little bit ago, and I was actually able to get it open, so I was pretty excited. So I am going to try to capture it on camera. Get zoomed in here a bit. It looks okay. Yeah, and it's really tricky. Hopefully you'll be able to see some of the feedback it gives off. There's the bidding on the key. That's how I got it. I believe this was sent to me by Daz Evers, so thank you, Daz, for sending it. But yeah, it's really tricky lock. And it is on the Arrow. I do like these. There's been a lot of these Arrow locks going around. I believe they're a family of the, if I remember right, they're disassembled related some way. I don't remember actually offhand now, but I think they are. They're a damn good lock. I know that. So let me see. Am I going with top of the keyway on this bad boy? Yep. Okay. And like I said, it is kind of a funky lock to pick because of the keyway. Hopefully it's seeing that. Yeah, okay. A little bit of a funky keyway there. I've been doing a lot of these lately, but I'll be using this. I don't know what it's called. Maybe a I don't know if it's another one of the hybrid, but that's what it looks like. It's one of the Sparrows from the Monstrum XXL set, and I may be using the smaller one of it. Pretty much the same kind of pick. This one just has a fatter ball on it, or not ball really, but anyways, fatter lump. So let's see if we can get this sucker open on camera. All right, going in. Try to get something started here. First I'm gonna look for the binder, and it's in the back. So let's do this. I want to say it's either 5. I think it's 5. There we go. Got that. Looking for the next binder. Feels like, let me see. 1. Nope. I'll let that drop. 2, 3. Counter rotation. Feels like it's set. Coming back out. Looking for, okay, I think it's 2. You see that? Counter rotation. It feels like it's set. Hope I didn't overset it. Going back in. There we go. Now it feels like it's set. Going back in. All the way in the back. Feels like it's set. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. The bad thing is it feels like they're all set and the lock's not open. So now I got to find what's holding me up. 1. Oops. 2, 3, 4, or rather 5, 6. Okay. Now I got to look for one that's going to give me some kind of feedback. So I'm going to give each pin that little bounce. I think I found it right here. Okay, now we went into a very deep fall set. I got to see what's holding us up. It's kind of awkward because you can't really go off the bottom, so, and this ledge really doesn't hold the pick, so you got to kind of do one of these jobs. So let me see if I can set whatever pin it is. I think I might have just found it. Nope. Boy, that's awkward. Oh, we just went, whoa. I'm losing the tension wrench. There we go. Yeah, we're in a seriously funky deep fall set here. Even deeper. So I don't know if it's a T-pin. There we go. Beautiful. What a tricky freaking lock. Wow. Okay. That was fun. Beautiful. What was that? West Coast picks? Well freaking done. Alright, let me get that out of there. Get this vise out of the way. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. Alright, let me go. Where are we at? About right here. Get us the pinning tray down here. Come in a little bit. So yeah, that was freaking fun, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now we're very much open. We do have a key, so I can go ahead and lock it back up and knock this clip off the back somehow. Oh, excuse me, somehow. Maybe if I can dig this in there. Probably stab myself doing it. There we go. We got it. All right. The key. Yep, there's some funky pins because it really doesn't like turn very easy even with the key. All right. Yep. There's some funkiness in there. All right, I think we got the shim about as far as it's going to go. Key pins are on this side. There we go. 6 pins. All pinned up. Yeah, I can see something funky in number 1 already. And they all needed picking. Get them laid out. We'll get a close-up on these. Yep. Got some mods in 1. Got some mods on 2. Yep. This one's been worked on. Actually, every one that I've done from West Coast Picks has been pretty badass. Alright, let me get some specs on. And see what's on the Bible. We got threading in 1, 3, 4, and 6. That leaves 2 and 5 as standard. Nicely played. Well done. Alright. Got a shim out of there. And don't need to mark the front because this is different on this one, but I will anyways. Just so I put it back together exactly the way I got it. Alright. Pin 1 has been modified. Boy, I'll tell you what. It's a spool with a sort of a T-pin on it. Tell you what, let me go ahead and I'll just lay them down. We're going to get a close-up on them anyways. This might be a 2-piece here. Yep, it sure is. So let me get it. Yeah, I'm going to lay these down. We're going to get a close-up on them anyways. Let me take that apart and show how it went in there. Alright. I think this may be the same type. Yep, another 2-piece. Beautiful, just beautiful. Yep. Different kinds of springs too. Well played. Now this one, I think it's a 1-piece. Oh yeah. Beautifully made, kind of a stepped T-pin. Really cool. Well done. I mean, well made. Looks really clean. That was 4, so we're looking for 5. 5's a standard. And last but not least, looks like some sort of spool action there in number 6. Get these springs situated, and I don't think there's any mods to that unless he's a really good professional at putting those back on. Nope, no mods in the Bible or lock body. Alright, freaking beautiful. That was a great lock, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Called the Big Easy by West Coast Picks. I think we can come in a little bit. Good enough. Alright, beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright, we're good on the camera? I think so. Alright, key pins. We got a multi-serrated in 1. I'd call that a spool in 2. Multi-serrated in 3. Fully serrated in 4. Then we got this kind of spooled T-pin key pin. And then 6 is, it's spooled down here, but really I don't think that would ever come into play down here. I could be wrong. I don't think so. But it is serrated at the top. Drivers, we got this spool T-pin. 2 is this serrated sleeve on this. Now I think when these are together, it may act as a T-pin if that's long enough. Yes, it does. And this probably goes to the same for number 3. Yep. So when these are together, they're floating, I guess, floating serrated sleeve T-pins. How's that? And then 4, that was 3, so 4, this, it reduces down. It's a T-pin, but it's got 2 different levels of, 2 different diameters. 5's a standard, and 6, I'd call that more like a spool because it's going to act like a spool. And then we got, what, silver, copper, silver, silver, copper, silver, I don't know. Just excellent. Beautiful. The Big Easy from West Coast Picks. So thank you, West Coast Picks, for making this beautiful lock. And like I said, I think Daz ever sent it to me, so thank you. All right, that'll do her. Big Al signing off.